Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to make a simple bouncing ball. And this was the first approach, the first week of my learning 3D animations and being a 3D artist and animator. And it's a very simple approach, and it does not require using much of timeline in your Blender. It does not require you making an adjustment in your loop sheet or in your graph editor. You're just making changes to the properties of the meshes. So let's just move on to Blender. Right now we're in Blender, so we'll just show what you do. First of all, let's delete uh, this cube. Just press X to delete. Now I'll be leaving the camera and light so you can make use of it, because I'm going to add some colors. I'm rendering it in I'll also be using the rendering viewport. So so the first thing you'll do is to go to your edit, go to your preference. You're going to be enabling an add-on. Go to add-on and search for extra. So you are going to enable this add mesh extra object, and you get to save your preference. So when you're done with that, we can start with it. Let's go to the front view. Or can we use the front? Yes, let's just use this front view, to crack view. So we are going to bring in a mesh object. So we're going to bring it in, press Shift A, and we are bringing in the round cube. So this is a round cube, and we're going to be adjusting its property here. We're going to be making the radius 1, and then we're also going to be making this part of it 8, this arc 8. So that's 8. So we're having the bouncy ball. What I will do next, I will just smooth the ball. You can see it's smoothed. Now we have to grab our sphere that it's looking like now, and we have to move it up, grab it and move it up in the Y axis, in the Z axis, and move it up 5. Then I'm going to bring in the plane object. Here's the plane object. So I'll bring in Shift A. I'll bring in the plane object and scale it up. So this is what we are having already. So now the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to click on this plane object and go to the physics property. Now we're going to go to the physics property at your right hand side, and this collision, we're going to adjust the friction in the collision. This friction, we're going to adjust it to 3.5. That's the only thing we'll do with the cube. Then the sphere, we're going to go to the physics property of the sphere, and also we're going to go to the soft body, and we are going to uncheck this goal, uncheck the goal. Then if I click, let me play the animation, you see that it's bouncing and it break below the. So let's go back and make some adjustment to the property.